If you live in a home long enough, sooner or later you're gonna have to deal with a plumbing clog. In this case, the sink is clogged up and you see we have a lot of standing water. So you can't make the repair without removing the water first. Imagine taking out that P-trap to clean it out and all that water would rush into the cabinet. So you have to remove the water, and I guess you could use a sponge or maybe a towel, but rather than using that to sop up all that water, I've got a quicker, easier way. Use a pool toy. This is a kid's toy they use to suck up the water out of the pool and squirt it at one another. But it works great like a little siphon pump to remove the water, the standing water from the sink. Once you have all that water removed, then you can make the repair. You can take out that P-trap and not worry about several gallons of water rushing in. And this is great for, sink clogs, toilet clogs. If you have a malfunctioning washing machine that has water standing in the tub, you can use this little toy to suck out all that water, and then you can make the repair. But I would say, after using this to repair a plumbing leak, you might want to go out and buy the kids a new toy.